Hello everyone, welcome back to Omucha Coding Hub, and today I want to show you how to create your first HTML page. And this doesn't require any previous coding skills because I'm going to show you everything from scratch. Now, you need a tool known as a code editor, and a code editor that I prefer is the VS Studio Code, and you can get it from your browser. So you can just go to the browser like that, and then search for code.visualstudio.com. Okay, and then it will take you to this page where you'll have this download button. Download it and install it. Okay, go to your desktop site and create a folder, and you can name it my first web page, like for my case, and then you can open it with the VS Code that you have just installed. After opening your installed VS Code, it will open like this. Then you can go on your left icons and go to the extensions here. Click on it and search for a live server extension, and click on the first result. For my case, it's telling me to uninstall because I already installed it. We are together? Yeah. The use of this live server extension is that when you update anything on your document, HTML document, it automatically updates the web page without manual refreshing. Straight we can go and start writing our codes. For you to write, you need to create a document file, and for this case it is HTML. So you can write index.html, and that is our home page. When you start with index.html, it will be taken automatically as a home page. Okay, yeah. Okay, and what is HTML? HTML stands for hypertext markup language, and you should not cram that one because we are going just to use the term HTML. And it is made up of elements, and each element has a specific purpose, like displaying a heading, displaying a paragraph, an image, or even a link. So we are going to start on to create our first HTML page. Without wasting time, for you to create a page, you need to have an HTML structure that goes as follows. Okay, so let me just write it. DOCTYPE HTML. Then we are going to close like that, and this tells the browser that we are actually writing HTML5. Okay, after there we are going to write HTML tag, opening tag HTML like that. Then we close. Okay, so you can see there are two tags, the opening tag and a closing tag, and right away you can see that a closing tag has a /, and this is the case for every opening and closing tag. Okay, and this HTML covers the whole information, and therefore it is the root of our HTML document. Okay, so inside the HTML we can have a head section. Okay, yeah, and the head section contains the information about the page, like the title. So inside we can write a title tag. Yeah, and this title is what is shown on the browser's tab. Okay, yeah, any information that you put on the title is displayed on the browser's tab. After done with the header, you can go to the body, and create a body tag like that. Now the body tag contains everything you want visible on the page. Anything that you want it to be displayed on the page is being written inside the body tags. Okay, so we can just create our first statement that we want it to be visible on the page. So we can create a heading or heading. So we can create a h1. This is just for displaying heading the titles on the page. So we can say hello world, hello world. Okay, like that, and then we can close with a forward slash, like that. Okay, now when we save and then we go to this file that we created over here, we click on it, we left click, or rather we right click on it and then open with the live server. Congratulations, there you have your first HTML page that says hello world. Okay, yeah, that is how to come up with an HTML page from scratch. And on this title, I said earlier that this is what it is shown on the browsers tab. So I can say, maybe I can write on this title something like my first web page, like that, and save it. Let's see what's happening. Now you can see here on the tab, you can see there is something like, on the tab you can see there is my first web page. So anything that is written on the title is being displayed on the tab on top here. Okay, yeah, so apart from the heading h1, we can put a paragraph, and the tags for paragraph is just opening and closing P's. Okay, the closing, you can see it has the forward slash. So we can say something like, this is my first HTML page. This is my first HTML page, and we can save that, and then we can open our browser. You can see this is my first HTML page. Now you have your first HTML page just like that from scratch. Now if you love this kind of content, you can just subscribe, you can just share, you can just comment if you don't understand anything, or if you want me to do anything in the future. So thank you so much. See you on the next one. Bye bye.